Okay, well, we gotta get moving. We know assembling IKEA furniture has destroyed marriages across the world, has crumbled empires because of the stress it exudes, and for most of us is one of the top 3 worst things you can do in your life. So because of that, I'm gonna challenge my guys to build a piece of IKEA furniture and see if I can build something from scratch faster than they can go get it from the store, get it back here, and get it assembled. Let's go. Got a challenge for you guys. You're gonna drive to IKEA, you're gonna buy the cheapest end table that they sell. I think it's 15 bucks. And then you're gonna come back here. In that time, I think I can build one from scratch better before you get back.
Like same design. Are you serious?
Yeah, put it on the card. I'll see you guys in a couple hours. Let's get to work.
A 40-minute drive here. That'll put us there around 11:45, just around lunchtime. I don't think John realizes how easy this table is to put together. Top 4 legs and then just 4 screws. I don't even think you need a tool to put it together. We're gonna go have some fun while we're out and about.
All right, so the only shot I've got at beating these guys is the fact that IKEA is literally like 45, 50 minutes away from here. So there and back, we're looking at like an hour and a half, an hour and 40 minutes or so. This is what I'm thinking. The table itself is 22 inches by 22 inches by roughly 18 inches. Literally have to make 4 legs. The skirts here will give it the visual representation that it's actually 2 inches thick at the top, but I'm just gonna make an apron around it. I think that'll be a little bit of an easier assembly. I'm gonna use plywood and Bondo. This is how I'm gonna make this work in order to get everything to kind of look pristine. So I gotta get to building. So I'm gonna miter all the corners on the leg because I feel like I have the time. I could regret this. I'm gonna use brad nails to speed up a lot of this process. I cut all the parts for the legs already. We'll see how it goes. I'm ambitious.
I'm on Burgundy.
So the plan here is just this. I'm gonna take all of these will pin together in L's. I mean, that's pretty tight coming straight off the saw. They're gonna look better than IKEA legs. And I have a feeling I'm gonna be done way sooner than I anticipated. Here's a question for you guys. I don't know what team Tyler's on. So if you're not familiar, Tyler's the guy behind the camera, and a lot of you have been asking. Sam left us a few months ago, we miss him, but Tyler's now our camera dude. And I can't tell if he's on team employees or team boss. I feel like he's kind of inside rooting for the guys. What do you think of my assembly process here? Did you expect me to be this far done?
No, I didn't, not at all. You actually made it a little nicer than I would have anticipated.
I do try to not build pieces of shit, even though I do build pieces of shit, which you guys consistently tell me. It's my goal to not build pieces of shit. Still gonna be a piece of shit. We're 45 minutes in, my legs are assembled. I'm pretty sure these clowns think they got me like toasted. They probably stopped for lunch if I know them.
Me and the minions made it to IKEA. Probably eat, I don't know. John, there's no way he's gonna beat us, so I'm not worried about this.
I like turtles.
Well, that's gonna go together rather easily.
This is $10. You can't beat that. This is...
Ooh, they have it in white oak. We'll get the white oak one too. That's John's favorite. What do you think? They good?
It's not bad. Not Italian meatballs, but...
That's a spicy meatball.
pretty good for Swedish meatballs.
This is what I'm stuck with. This is what John leaves me with. Look at him. Truly special. You're no much better.
All right, so next thing I need to do, I need to cut some skirts and pocket hole those suckers together. So we're perfectly at 4 inches there, and I had to cut this a pube under 22, so we're gonna be a nut hair under 18, so it's 17 and 15, 16 for 4 stretchers. I'm feeling confident now. This is going better than I anticipated.
John, from this angle, it looks very,
Does it look weird? Why don't you scroll down and show people what I'm doing? Yeah. Don't get any ideas, kids. Hey guys, if you didn't know, we're doing an awesome giveaway with DeWalt right now. All you gotta do is sign up for our email newsletter. You can win some awesome tools like this impact driver. All of the details on how to win are down below. Busting out the secret weapon, my $1,200 pocket hole machine. I ain't got time for that.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
Damn it. It's like a mock-up of a table that could be, but it's actually the table. In your hole. Go, go. You don't hate the table?
like, I think after the Bondo and everything, it's gonna look like.
A piece of shit from Ikea?
Yeah, but slightly sturdier.
That's my only thing is I think I can make something sturdier because I know that Ikea is basically made from paper. Their tables are paper tables. It's the final stretcher. She got legs. Knows how to use them. IKEA table, bitches. So awful. I'm gonna throw some glue on there, pin it down, then it's on to Bondo and paint. Those guys have been gone now for almost an hour and a half. So they should be wrapping up at the store.
Meanwhile, back in the lowlands.
That'll do. This is literally it.
Yeah, how else can we spend John's money?
Should definitely get a Christmas thing.
Dang, how many tables are we building?
So we're gonna go get some food. Swedish meatballs, they were good. They just didn't fill me up enough.
So you know every Chick-fil-A in about a 50-mile radius?
I thought that I had no shot. I even picked something that I thought was easy. They're probably only gonna need like 20 minutes max. I can't even imagine how that thing goes together. I'm sure it's popsicle sticks.
John, it takes like 2 minutes.
How the f does it take 2 minutes?
The legs literally just screw into my hand.
Really? Wait, it doesn't have like any of those stupid like fastener thingies that like one comes in from one side? No?
I don't think so.
Okay, well we gotta get moving then. Okay, my secret weapon, Bondo. Yum yum, get you some. The hardener's not even creamy. Well, we're gonna have to work fast because we overhandled.
Well, see, now that sounds like overhandling to me.
Really, I wanted to put on gloves and be all like adult about this, but no, it's perfect. This is exactly the timing I wanted.
It's going on there like Play-Doh now.
Yes, which is the exact consistency you want for a project like this. Hey, real quick, take a second and let me know, who are you betting on down below? Am I gonna beat these idiots, or are they gonna come back and I'm gonna be just still up to my ears in this project? And then when you're done, you know what else you can bet on? Football on Sunday, because it's awesome! And what else is awesome is that DraftKings is sponsoring this video, and for all of you that bet $5 before the game, and if that bet hits, they're gonna give you 200 bucks. Yes, 200 doll hairs, which is ridiculous. I like to invest a little bit of money in some of the games on Sunday. Gives me a reason to watch, because we know my hometown Pittsburgh team not doing very good this year. I throw a few bucks down, and I love the in-game parlays. They're a ton of fun. You can bet on a ton of really different things. Stack those up and give yourselves a ton of chances to win. The DraftKings app is awesome and it's super easy to use. And if you're not into football, I don't know why the hell you watch my content, but basketball season is right around the corner. You can get started with DraftKings and betting on basketball this year too. So like I said, if you want to increase your chances of being awesome, and you want to put a few bucks on the game this Sunday, if you bet $5 pregame and it hits, DraftKings is going to give you 200 bucks with the code Malecki and the link down in the description. Make sure you're using that, and thank you DraftKings for sponsoring this build. Now excuse me while I get back to work, because those dudes are definitely on their way back, I hope at least, because they're getting paid to do whatever they're doing right now. Excuse me.
There's a Golf Galaxy out here.
Yeah.
There's Golf Galaxy.
Go hit some bombs.
Oh, what's Jordan getting into?
I don't know why I said 3 of them, that was dumb. So we're dry. After I'm done eating, we get to sand. Shut up, I don't have time to shut down. Those idiots are probably like at Red Lobster or something stupid. You guys tell me, which one should we build next? I'm pretty sure you're gonna like this and we're gonna wanna do more of them. Potatoes and meat potatoes kind of guy. Now I gotta prime this sucker. I'm gonna use a shellac primer because it dries really fast. These guys gotta be back soon. You'd put that in your house, don't even lie. You totally would. Yeah, let us spray, baby. Some may call this done. All right, let that dry. Should we see where these idiots are? I told you they were eating. What the? Hey, what are you doing? You better get moving if you think you got a chance. One more coat and she's done. Oh, I didn't tell you guys, you were betting me a week's salary. They're such assholes. They're not even taking this serious. Jordan can't help himself. They've been gone for 2 hours.
Gino, think we're gonna get a jump on John?
I feel like you can build this while where you're at.
Wow, there's literally 4 bolts in there.
Yeah, just put the bolts in the thing and then you put the leg on. How's it going?
A lot of twisting.
As one. We got a full end table up. You got room to build the other 2?
I don't know, we'll find out.
Once I get back in like the next 10 minutes, I think I got them. Well, I guess I'm gonna go watch recaps of the House of the Dragon until I get back.
Running out of room here.
Hey, don't ding those up.
We believe in you, small
Spent good
Gino.
money on those.
How would you rate this on your resume?
Oh, this is highly skilled.
Completed job in a lot of time despite adverse conditions.
Like underwater welding.
Oh,
Yes.
this is definitely on the same level as water welding.
Same stakes. We're about to pull it up. We got R3 built in the car, 0 tools. What, we spent like 40 bucks at Ikea. Got some Swedish meatballs, Chick-fil-A, did a round of golf. Oh, what's going on here? Oh, we're getting a shipment.
Uh-oh.
Well, this shouldn't count. We're blocked. This is awkward.
You guys lose. I built a table from scratch before you got back from Ikea.
We have 3 built. 3. Come on, Gino.
Who the hell said by 3?
You mean the advent calendar?
What if I bunch of idiots, just literally just doing whatever they want. First off, we said buy 2 in case we break one, and then they buy 3, and one of them's literally not even the right color, and then we have a pallet of random shit show up. How you doing, boss?
I got you some.
Gosh.
What a day.
Like, what the is going on? My table looks so much better than those. Are those Christmas cards? It's an advent calendar? What is it?
You don't want a turtle.
A turtle? Dude, you guys are abusive. So Tyler informed me once we got started that you just screw the legs in, which I didn't know. I would have assumed it was a little more complicated.
Well, no, you screw the screws into the top and then the legs onto those screws.
Yeah, I did all 12 of those.
In the car. Great. And so, didn't know that. I also was gonna give you guys a paid day off if you beat me, but you decided to slap dick around. So, let me know what you want me to whoop these guys' ass in on the next video, and I'll see you guys there.